Hi, I'm Jeevan from Asia Securities bringing the market summary for today. The indices today fell due to concerns over varying macroeconomic conditions which were not seen as conducive. The record tumbling of the rupee yesterday did not help the boost, with investor confidence taking a low ebb, reflecting the performance of the market today. The benchmark all-share price index shed 23.19 points to close at 5,414, whilst the liquid MPI lost 7.51 points to close at 4,875. Total turnover for the day was 627 million, whereas the volume traded was close to 27 million shares. Market heavyweight John Keel's holdings witnessed the only block trade during the day, as 495,000 shares changed hands at 200 rupees. The counter emerged as the top contributor during the day, pumping over 31% of the market's turnover. The counter closed the day almost flat at 200 rupees. Commercial Bank continued its dominance in the banking sector and contributed over 55 million towards the day's turnover. Further, banking sector caps such as HNB Non-Voting and Sampath Bank also dragged interest during the day as attractive volumes changed hands. Investment trust Ceylon Guardian witnessed renewed interest during the day and gained an impressive 4.5% to close at 225. Plantation sector counters Kegol and Namunkula also witnessed renewed investor participation, mainly due to the dividend announcements made by the respective companies. Kegol closed at 96 rupees and 90 cents, gaining 2.2%, whilst Namunkula gained 8.5% to close at 58 rupees. Retail favorites such as ERI, HVA and Blue Diamond witnessed less interest as heavy selling pressure continued on the counters. Further, retail volumes were topped by Celal Merchant Bank and Amanat Kaful, whilst Mirama emerged as the top gainer on thin trade.
Moving on to business news, you're here with Leanne from Global Media Networks. The shortage of dollar in the foreign exchange market has exaggerated imported demand, which resulted in the rupee falling to an all-time low of 130 rupees to 131 rupees against the greenback, with the central bank absorbing most of the proceeds of the recent EPF sell-offs in the country's stock exchange. Sri Lanka's tea trade has warned the tea exports orders and prices could fall in the months ahead as crops rise and consumption falls off in key markets. The government is extremely bullish in its target of $500 million in the foreign investment flows into the Colombo stock market, which it expects to be a reality before end 2012. Account holders of Commercial Bank of Ceylon now have access to internet banking facilities offered by the bank, even while they are on the move, following the launch of a dedicated web portal by the bank to facilitate access to a wider segment of mobile phone users. Colombo Dockyard said it was eyeing yacht repair as a new market after winning work from a French specialist yacht management company, given Sri Lanka's proximity to the Maldives, where many vessels end their cruises. Sri Lanka's financial market watchdog Central Bank recently warned in a statement, adding that any businesses in Sri Lanka cannot use the term or words finance, financing or financial in a part of their names, except a registered finance company under the Finance Business Act No. 42 of 2011 was re-enacted on the 9th of September 2011, repealing and replacing the Finance Companies Act No. 78 of 1988. Lion Brewery has summoned an extraordinary general meeting on the 28th of March to consider resolutions enabling the company to invest 1.2 billion rupees raised through a rights issue in 2009 for investing in the Indian beer industry on expansion of the company's local business. Singer Sri Lanka, a consumer durables distributor, said it has seen strong sales of bicycles in the former war-torn areas where the product has been traditionally popular. With that, I round up the news for today. Thank you and see you again tomorrow.